I found a solution to your blank page problem, and it's this abstract composition builder. Inside this there are 10 layouts, 10 color sets and 10 patterns. And if you were to use one layout and one color set and 3 patterns per each painting, this gives you 12,000 possible combinations. Let me put that in perspective for you. 12,000 combinations means if you were to paint one composition a day from this, it would take you 32 years to finish all of them. 32 years. Jack, did you hear that? 32 years. I mean, you would be dead by then. For sure. For sure. You won't make it 30 years. So what are we doing today? Today we are going to paint one composition from Abstract Composition Builder, and there's no end. That's it. I can't show you the painting we are going to paint today because it doesn't exist yet. We're gonna build it with the Abstract Composition Builder and it will be beautiful, I'm sure. As usual, we're gonna use watercolors, fine liner pens, maybe brush pens and watercolor paper and water. There is nothing extreme. Whatever you use at home, you are free to use them. I hope I have whatever I needed from this, like I will be able to put together an intro video. I hope. Bye.